Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, we got our shower trim all done. Now we're going to work on our toilet. So, you start off with the flange. It's got a seal in it. Obviously, nothing can flush down there. What we're going to do here is go ahead and break that out with a hammer. Okay. And you pop this up. Try to get most of your debris out of there. Set that aside. Clean off the surface. You're going to be installing your toilet. Alright. Alright. Now you got your toilet bolts, wax ring. Unbox the wax ring. Take the plastic off. Set that down on the hole just like so. Get the toilet bolts out. They go in the slots underneath of here and here. Okay. These will tighten up once you start tightening down your actual toilet under. You got your trim pieces, caps and whatnot. You need those, set those aside. I'll go grab the toilet, I'll be right back. Alright, so you've got your toilet on, sitting on the bolts. Put your plastic pieces, those cover the holes that your bolts sit on. You're going to go ahead and put your washers on top of that. And then the nuts that hold it together. So you start these just by hand. I'm doing both sides at the same time. You can only see one. 7/16 wrench. Works perfect. For what we're doing here. Now, you never want to tighten these too tight. Just give them a couple of turns on each side. Check it, see if it moves. These crack really easily and they're expensive to replace. So just take it a little bit at a time. Once you've installed a few, you try to get the hang of it and know what you're looking for. So now that we're nice and solid, not too tight, I like to use bolt cutters. Some people use hacksaw. I like the bolt cutter. And you just cut the excess off of the bolt. And then you put your beauty cap over top. Push it down. And that's no longer showing a hole, or the screw protects it from rust and all that good stuff. So we're left with just the bowl. All right, give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got our tank taken out of the box. As you can see, it's got its rubber piece already on here. There's 3 bolts that stick through. Those go on the 3 bolts that's on your toilet bowl. Set that down on there. Make sure you get it nice and straight on there. And it comes with nuts and washers for each of the 3. So you go ahead and just get them started by hand. It is a 1/2 inch nut. So if on some of them you can use a 1/2 inch nut driver, other ones you'll have to use a small crescent wrench or a small pair of channel locks. Same goes for the tank. You never want to tighten these too tight because they do crack very easily. And once again, they are expensive to replace. This is a Kohler toilet. And we are doing this in new construction. So we got to be careful and make sure we don't screw it up. Alright, so as you can see, we got the bolts coming through the toilet bowl, got washers on, and we've got the nuts started. So, let's see. Alright, so we're going to try to use our nut driver here. And just give it a few turns at a time on each one and tighten it, making sure it goes down straight. There is rubber pieces in between the tank and the bowl. So you gotta watch and make sure that they don't start going funny on you. Then you won't have a proper seal and end up with a leak and have to call someone like me to come out and fix it. Once you feel like it's nice and secure, you're going to want to put a level on the tank. Make sure your tank is nice and level. So, looks like we need to go down on the right hand side, which is this side. Alright. Now that that's nice and level, nice and sturdy, I'm going to give it a couple more cranks on the back side here. Alright, so you are left with this. Got your lid. Set your lid down on there. And always make sure you put your stop and water supply connected. Otherwise, when you turn on your water, it will be a big mess. So now that that's all connected, all that's left is the toilet seat. We will return after I get it unboxed. Alright, so we got our toilet seat unboxed. Comes with these little rubber bumper stops. Those fit right inside here. Some toilet seats already have them put in. This one does not. So you just push those into place. Make sure they're in all the way. Nice and level. So your toilet sits down nice on the bowl. Your toilet seat sits nice on the toilet bowl. Then you've got these. Take and open this up. That's where your screws are going to go in so you can secure it to the bowl. Just like that. You've got a screw and a nut. I recommend putting both sides on first before tightening it down. Then you can take your Phillips screwdriver, tighten it down, just snug it up. Make sure your toilet seat is straight with the actual bowl of the toilet. Once it is, give it another little snug up. Okay. Close it down, and you have a fully installed Kohler toilet. Thank you for watching.